So as you can see, our brand new Palladio door has just been fitted and I am over the moon with it. It is so beautiful. It's so much more modern and sleek and in keeping with the rest of our home. Now it's got a foil finish, so these doors are virtually indestructible because they can't be faded by light, unlike most doors that are just simply painted. We had to paint our last door every single year and it always chipped. The colour always was altered a little bit, so this is just such little maintenance. It's also going to be much better at keeping the heat in, and it is mega secure. It's a really heavy, sturdy door with a double lock on it, which just makes us as a family feel so much safer. It also comes with a 12-year manufacturing warranty, which is absolutely fantastic. And this was all designed online. We used their design tool and it was so easy to pick the colour, the finish, the handle, even the glass finish that you wanted. So I can just now see my vision brought to life.